guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Rida, and if you're just watching this video for the very first time, you're just tuning into my channels, thank you so much for clicking. I'm so happy, I am so grateful that you clicked. Please don't forget before you go to subscribe to this channel. To mean the world to me, and turn on your notification bell so that when I post you get notified. Okay, thank you guys for sticking with me, and to my old subscribers, you guys are the very best. Thank you. Happy New Year again. Thank you for riding with me to 2023. This year is going to be a year of congratulations for every one of us. Every one of us is going to hear that good news that we want. So like I always been saying, that I want to make a few changes to this channel. Yes, I really want to make a few changes to the channel. I've not really done that, but I'm very hopeful this year is a year that we do a lot of changes. I want to incorporate vlogs and other topics. I want to get on a personal level. So yes, you guys, I'll really appreciate your support, just the way you support me with that. And again, if you guys have any questions, you can always send it to me. My new Instagram username is Rida right here, so please check it out, and if you have any question, please let me know. Okay, I'll be more than happy to answer your questions. It's free consultation for anyone who just if immediately you tell me that you're my subscriber, I listen to you. Yes, I've been really busy lately with work, but I'll still find time to talk to you guys. All right, thank you so much. And this topic, I already said everything you need to know in my website, so please go check it out. Everything I'm going to be saying today is going to be from my website, not really from my website, but you just go check it out. The name is smarteasyrecipe.com. You just go there, you see all of these reviews that I have. This current reviews is already up there since, so just go check it out and have a fun time. So today we'll be doing, like the topic, we'll be doing a review on MEDERMA. I got this MEDERMA last year. I can't even remember when I got it last year. I started using it because I wanted to see that result and all that. You see, it's old. I got it, it's been long I got it, so I can't even find the tube itself because I don't know where I dropped it. But yeah, I got it last year and I started using it. I wanted to make a review on it so that I can tell you how good it is, so that if you want to purchase it, you can go purchase it. Like I said, you are not restricted to buying my product only. You can always go ahead and get any other person's product. The key is we just want the best. We just want you to get rid of your scar. All right, so I'm going to do a thorough review on this one. But one thing first, let me say a disclaimer. I'm not an expert, but having a product, I have a product, I sell a product. If you don't know, I have a product, a scar fading product. So if you want to check it out, there are lots of good reviews about it. So please visit our business page, Rida Organic Skincare, and you will see a whole lot of reviews that will blow your mind. All right, again, one more thing, please pardon me, and there's noise coming from the generator. Please, I beg you with God, just pardon me. Okay, it's not from me, it's my neighbor. They've started again. So so today we'll be talking about MEDERMA. One thing I have learned so far having my own products is that when it comes to scar fading, anything that has to do with scar, it takes its time. Whatever products you're going to use today, it takes time. It's not a one-time thing. You get, it's never a one-time thing. So me reviewing it is to tell you that it may work for other person, it may not work for another person. You get. One thing I learned about MEDERMA, having used it, is that when it comes to old scar, like really old scar, you don't get to see results instantly. It takes time, and even if you're going to see results in a long time, it's going to be all those slow process. You get. But if you have a recent scar, it works really well for recent scar. If you have like a current recent scar, you have a cut or anything, you can get MEDERMA. It actually works for some people. You get. So me using it, I didn't really see changes for but one thing I'm very sure is that if you use it for a long time, I was not patient to use it for that long. You get. But I used it for, I think I used it for like 4 or 5 months. You get. So if you're patient, you will definitely see results. I don't want to come here and damage another person's business. This thing is good. if you have a recent scar. If you have like a recent scar, it's good. But for old scar, I'm not too sure about it. Again, you can use it for a long time. If you use it for a long time, and depending on your skin type, you know, there's some, let me tell you again one thing about these things. There are some skin types that when they use something, it just works for them in no time. While some people use something, it takes so much time before they start seeing results. Not necessarily that the product is not working. It's based on their skin type. Some people just have that skin that is so tough, while some people have a very sensitive, flexible skin that when they use product, it begins to react. You get, right? When they use product, before you know it, it begins to react and begins to show, and they see a lot of improvements and all that. Why some people, it takes time. So it doesn't really necessarily mean that the product is not working. So I have tried MEDERMA. It works for new scars. If you have a very recent scar, please use it. You're not wasting your money. You're going to get. But for old scar, I don't know. I'm not too sure about it. So yeah, you might want to, you know, check on that. So that's what I want to say about MEDERMA. It's a great product. It's really great for recent scar. When you have a recent course, you just had maybe a week or 2 weeks or 3 weeks or 1 month, you can use it. You get. But for old scar, I don't know. You can try it. Again, you can try it. I am not too sure. So yes. I'll also do a lot of reviews. I will still have to do a whole lot of reviews about MEDERMA. You get. So I'll be inserting a clip of my before and after of when I was using MEDERMA and now, because I only used it on this car, and I started using it. When I started using it, I paused using my scar fading product. I stopped using it because of course I want to see results. So because I wanted to give you guys options, not to restrict you guys, so you must buy my stuff. I never said that. You get. So I wanted to give you guys option if it works, of course. So I started using it on this product, on this scar here. I didn't really see much with this. Let me tell you something about scar in the hand. It is so hard. It's so hard to get rid of scar in the hand compared to scar. If you watch my previous video, I always say that you see where you have a collagen, where you have skin, it's so easy for you to get rid of your scar. When you have you can use a picosecond and it works fine for you. Before you know it, you're healed. Listen, this place, it takes time to heal. When you use scars on your hand, on your leg, where there's no much flesh, you notice that it is so hard to get rid. It's even so hard for it to heal compared to using it on where there's flesh, where there's collagen and all of that. So you get. So yeah, so that's the little review I have for you for MEDERMA skincare. So if you want to get it, yes. So here they say that it's clinically shown to improve the softness and texture and appearance of scar resulting from injuries, surgery, burns, and acne. So yeah. So yes, it does work for cuts. And I don't know of burn. I didn't use it on burn, I think. So so it does work for all of that. If it's recent, it may work for it if it's a recent scar. So I am not here to tell you it's no. If you please go get it, if you just recently have your scar, and even if you have on the old scar, if you can be patient. Again, patience is even if you buy my product, I will always tell you that patience is the key. Consistency is also the key. Using this product, you're not consistent, you use it once and you don't use it the next day, you're not going to see result. But if you use it consistently, definitely you're going to begin to notice those little gradual changes. So yeah, we've come to the end of today's topic and today's video. Thank you guys for sticking with me. If you watch to the very end, you guys are the real MVP. Thank you so much for sticking with me. And again, my new Instagram username is sheisfarida. It's up here. You can send me questions there. You can send me questions on my business page, which is Rida Organic Skincare. If you want to order any product, just let me know, DM me, and also send any questions you want to send. Also, my email account is momentwithryda@gmail.com. If you have any question, you can send it over there. I'll answer them. So yeah, thank you so much for everything. I am grateful for you sticking with me. Please, if you're watching this video, you're learning one or two and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe. All right, it will mean the world to me. Take care of yourself and bye.
Hi guys, so good morning. So I recently got MEDERMA, so I wanted to try it with this scar. So I'll be showing you how long it took me and if there's any changes. Well, I just want to show you the scar right now, currently how it's looking, and I'll be applying it for the next few months and see if there's a really great changes on it. So yeah. Hi guys, so this is another day. If you check, I just applied a MEDERMA. There's really not so much changes, but I feel like this scar works for this product actually works for scar that just recent scar. So a friend collected it, took some out of it and was using it for a recent scar, and I noticed like a lot of improvement on her scar. So if you just have a recent scar, you might just want to use it. So that's what I'm just going to tell you. I just applied the MEDERMA gel on it, and I've been using it for almost, I think we're getting to the 6 months now, and there's really not so much changes. But again, I wanted to do this video to show you how the before and after, so that's why I'm making it again. So yeah.